Hey cuties, it's me, Q the Ultrapreneur. Today I'm going to be cooking for you shrimp scampi with a little bit of a Cajun twist. So, tune in. Okay cuties, let's get started. I have diced tomatoes, fresh minced garlic, fresh green jalapenos, 2 lemons cut in half, lemon zest, Land of Lakes unsalted butter. They have these new cute little half sticks. I have 2 of those, which equates 1 full stick. Angel hair pasta. I have some deveined clean shrimp with the tail on. I have vegetable broth, which I use to cook my pasta with. To the left is olive oil. Now, in this glass measuring cup, I've already poured the broth. That's black pepper. And in here is some white wine. Here is the seasoning. I have sea salt, garlic salt, paprika, Old Bay, oregano, cayenne, and red pepper flakes. Very important, I forgot to show you guys the chopped parsley. It is fresh. I'll have mine later in the video. Please go ahead and have yours prepared. You should already have water boiling, and what we're going to do now is actually pour the broth into the boiling water.
Make this beat.
Okay, so turn your stove to a medium heat. Go ahead and oil your pan or skillet and add your garlic and green jalapeno. Be sure not to overcook your shrimp, and I ended up adding more seasoning, but I'll be sure to put the details in the description box.
Make this beat.
Your pasta should be done at this point. Drain it and set it to the side. At this point, your pan should look something similar to this. You want to make sure that your shrimp is perfectly grilled and that your sauce is ready for pasta. Now, I am a fan of adding pasta piece by piece to your actual sauce versus pouring the sauce over a big pot of pasta. That way you want to make sure that your dish doesn't dry out. Now keep in mind that shrimp scampi is more lemon, butter, garlic based versus an Alfredo, which is more of a cream base. So there's a difference in the two. And we are done. Great job, guys. Here we have it, shrimp scampi with a Cajun twist. I hope you guys really enjoyed this experience. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, cuties, much peace, wealth, and health.